Video. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add your Minecraft PE server in server list. First of all, open your Chrome and go to link in the description, and then you have to register your account. So it's registering our account. Now we have to confirm our email. Now let's go to the email section, and there we can see click here to activate your account. Now when we tap on it and open by Chrome, now our account has been activated. It says now we can log in. Now we have to log into that same account. So I'm gonna log. Now after loading, now you see you can register a server there. Now tap on register a server. Okay, now you have to name it, type the description, and we have to set up the banner and stuff. I'm gonna tap on control panel and I'm gonna log into this server because it's really fast. Sometimes it crashes, but I'm just going to show you guys an example of this. I'm gonna do it on portrait mode. Now I have to solve the captcha and renew my server. As you can see, now it's restoring my server. So it may take some time when it's restoring the server. So you have to be patient. Now you can do whatever I want with this. You want with this. Now if you have a website of your server, then you can type the website URL, or you can set up the country for it, bot service, pocket bot, or Watifier. You can put it as you want. You can set up YouTube video. You can set up tags and stuff like that. So it may take some time. Now we have to apply the changes here. Now it will take some time for applying changes, so we have to be patient and wait for a while. Damn, it's taking a while. I don't really recommend you guys use the free hosting, but if you want to test it out or do some stuff with it, then you can try free hosting. But it's not recommended because free hosting is super duper slow. It's taking almost ages for me to do that. Your settings are being applied. Now I think settings have been applied. Now the settings applying can take about 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah. Bruh, it's taking so long. Why? Why server is not active for now? It's taking too long. Bruh. It's frozen, bruh. Why it's not starting, damn? Wait, the console has been created. Then why the server is not active? Yeah, finally. Now we have to start the server up. So you see, our server has been started. Now we have to go to home and check our server IP. So there we can see. Now I'm gonna copy a random IP of our server, and then we have to type it in IP section. Now bruh. Bruh. Okay, then now we have to check the connection of the server. Okay, connection is good. Now, after that, we have to tap on register the server. What? Yep. Now it will take some time. Now you see we have successfully added our Minecraft server on minecraftpocketservers.com. Well, it's epic. Now I think this is the IP. No, we don't have to manage it. We just have to. Wait, I'm gonna change up the settings. Now you guys can see that we have successfully added our server here. Nope. So if you guys like that video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.